Ladies and gentlemen, it is time to honor America. Please rise, remove your hats for the singing of our national anthem. The colors are being presented today by the Capital University Army ROTC under the direction of Cadet Christopher, and we welcome Cadets Johnson, Simpson, and Cannon. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome the Cordsmen under the direction of Mr. Craig Courtney as they will sing our national anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, the Capital Cordsmen. Thank you, guys.